Hi guys, welcome back to this suspension series at FG Gubellini. Today we're doing the front forks. So as you can see behind me, we have the bike on the stand and it's hooked up to the ceiling. So we have taken off the forks and they're currently being revalved. Afterwards, you guys will see how the whole process takes place. You will see how the fork is being disassembled and how the new valving is being put inside the fork. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Let's get into this video. Hey, so a little update. We have dismounted the front forks and disassembled them. We found out that actually the oil inside was in quite a good condition, and also that all the internal bits and pieces were original, whether because I'm not the first owner of this bike, so I didn't know if there was some valving work being done on the bike before. But no, everything is original, and this particular fork, as far as Franco is considered, worked quite well. So I think this is why I was able to ride in a decent manner on the track. So this is the midterm fork upgrade update. Stay tuned. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me for this crazy suspension adventure. I'm actually filming this outro on the third day of what is now a 3-day suspension adventure. If you have any suspension related questions or comments, please leave them down below. I will try to address them to the best of my ability. Also, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any further updates, because there are going to be some updates on this issue with the track test and also my general impression after I actually get to use the suspension on the track. And yeah, there will probably be another video, because now on this Sunday we are taking down the rear shock again, and we're going to actually micro adjust it to my weight and my riding style, because Franco wasn't so happy about the actual spring load and spring weight. I don't know how do you say it in English, the K of the spring, the constant of the spring. So we will be changing it to a more, to a softer one. So yeah, like, subscribe, and also ring that bell in case you're into ringing bells. So I will see you in the next video, which is actually happening now.